As soon as you enter the 2026 Toyota UltraLux Double-Decker Motorhome, the first thing that hits you is the feeling of modern freedom. The ambient LED lighting wraps around the walls with smooth color transitions, the glossy white panels match the luxury black trims, and everything feels carefully designed to create a peaceful, high-end environment. Moving forward, you enter the steering cabin, one of the most advanced cockpits ever fitted into a motorhome. The panoramic windshield stretches across your entire view, giving you a pilot-like perspective. The digital dashboard is fully futuristic, featuring holographic displays, ultra-sharp meters, navigation overlays, and soft blue and white interface lighting. The leather captain seats feel like they belong in a luxury jet, with deep cushioning, side support, and built-in adjust systems. You get elegant chrome pedals, floating center controls, an advanced drive-by-wire steering system, and a quiet, insulated cabin that makes long travel peaceful and smooth. The blend of digital screens, brushed aluminum textures, and soft touch materials makes the steering cabin a true masterpiece of Toyota's modern innovation. Moving deeper inside, the motorhome opens into a beautifully crafted TV lounge. This space is designed for comfort and entertainment. A wide sofa stretches across the side, wrapped in premium fabric with deep cushions and ambient strip lighting behind it. The glossy marble-style floor reflects soft lighting, creating a relaxing vibe. On the opposite side, the massive 80-inch smart TV transforms the lounge into a full cinema room. You can watch movies, stream shows, monitor travel data, or even check exterior security cameras, all from one seat. The panoramic windows on the side bring in natural light during the day, and at night the soft ceiling lights make the whole space glow with a cozy warmth. The lounge feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels, with a modern design inspired by aviation lounges and high-end living rooms. Right next to the lounge, the 2026 Toyota UltraLux offers a perfectly designed kitchen space. Every inch of this kitchen is built for premium functionality. The white and black color theme continues with glossy modular cabinets, hidden handles, soft close drawers, and LED counter lights that illuminate perfectly across the marble countertop. You get a built-in induction stove, an advanced smart refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and multiple storage compartments for cooking essentials. Despite being inside a motorhome, the kitchen feels full-size and ultra-clean, offering the same experience as a modern home kitchen. It's stylish, futuristic, and incredibly practical for long trips. As you move to the private section of the motorhome, you enter the luxury bedroom. This is where Toyota has pushed comfort to the next level. The king-size bed is placed perfectly in the center with soft LED strips running along the frame. The ceiling is decorated with mood lighting that changes color based on your preference. Premium wood textures wrap around the walls, creating a warm and upscale atmosphere. Large side windows give you a calm view of the outside world, whether you're parked near the mountains, the ocean, or a city skyline. Storage cabinets are built elegantly around the room, providing space without breaking the smooth flow of design. The bedroom feels quiet, relaxing, and carefully balanced to help you unwind during long travel days. Right next to the bedroom, you find the ultra-luxury washroom of the 2026 Toyota UltraLux Double-Decker Motorhome. The bathroom features a high-end glass shower cabin with chrome fittings, a marble sink, soft LED lighting around the mirror, and premium floor textures. Every surface feels modern, clean lines, smooth edges, and luxury materials. It's spacious, elegant, and built to deliver a hotel-like experience even while traveling. The ventilation system keeps everything fresh, and the overall styling makes this washroom feel like a modern spa. Now, here, the 2026 Toyota UltraLux Double-Decker Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a full lifestyle upgrade. From the commanding exterior presence to the full luxury interior, every detail has been sculpted to deliver next-level comfort, convenience, and beauty. Whether you're traveling across the country or enjoying a weekend escape, this motorhome brings the feeling of a luxury penthouse directly onto the road. The advanced steering cabin gives you confidence and smooth control. The living spaces give you comfort, entertainment, and functionality. The kitchen allows you to cook real meals with the quality of a home environment. The bedroom brings full relaxation, and the washroom adds premium hygiene and elegance. Toyota has combined futuristic technology, modern craftsmanship, and high-end materials to create a motorhome that feels truly ahead of its time. This is the future of road travel: bold, luxurious, and beautifully engineered. This is the 2026 Toyota UltraLux Double-Decker Motorhome, redefining what it means to travel in style.